will demonstrate the correct assembly method of ICOIT wine rack in this video. Please note the longer part put below. Attach anti-rail fence to acorn nuts. Tighten acorn nuts. Place rear hanging holders in holes closer to ourselves. Tighten acorn nuts again. Place front hanging holders in holes far away from ourselves. The first layer completed. Repeat the operation of the first layer. Please note that the upper and lower holes should be aligned. Still choose the rear hanging holders installed the hole close to us. Then tighten acorn nuts. Choose to install the front hanging holder without hexagonal nuts in the hole far away from us. Then tighten acorn nuts. Double layers wine rack completed. Next, we will combine the 3 layers. Keep the rear hanging holders close to us. Tighten each acorn nuts using the included wrench. Wow, we're done! The inner side of the 3-layer wine rack uses rear hanging holders, so the inner side is uniformly lower than the outer side. This way, the wine can be kept tilted upwards. We can change the tilt direction of the wine by exchanging the positions of rear hanging holders and front hanging holders. Removed these 2 holders. Swap locations and reinstall. Remember to tighten acorn nuts again. Successfully tilted our wine downwards and stored it. If you want a larger tilt angle, you can remove these anti-rail fences. Now we get the larger tilt. Thanks for your watching. Bye.